What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, the US dollar currency index, maybe Bitcoin going on to break another all time high, and we'll see what else we get into. But first, let's talk about the DXY. The DXY has me on fucking edge right now, dude. I have no idea what's going to happen. No one knows what's going to happen. Only time will tell, of course, right? And so what we're looking at right now is we're looking over the past about, I'd say, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years of the price chart for the US dollar and how much it's worth. And so what we're looking at right now is we see this like top that happened here back in December of 16. And really what was going on here, I don't think there was very much going on. This was just about when Trump got into office. This was him all the way into March, making the dollar worth less. And then, here it comes back up in like the last couple years of his presidency. And then, Biden crashed down. It's like the same thing. So, but what this is showing is December of 16. If we come over here to Bitcoin, we can actually see when we come over all the way over here down to December of 16. So we're going to come right, that's 15, my fault. Where's that at? Right here. So when we come into like Bitcoin right around here, we can kind of see like this is just like when Bitcoin started to really started like take off. You know what I mean? Like down here, yeah. We're kind of just, I mean, you're definitely moving up, right? But it's not this euphoric boom stage. You know what I mean? And during this time of when Bitcoin was going up, the dollar was crashing. And so, wrong one. When we look at this, December of 16, and this crashed all the way until January, February, and March, I'll show you all of them, of 18, and into April, actually. And so when we come over here to Bitcoin, well, let's actually go to the total altcoin market cap first. When we come into the total altcoin market cap, we look at when the peak of the bull run came in. It came in January of 18, right as when the dollar was just coming down and hitting its bottom. It was right in here in January of 18. And so we could see that. We could see that the dollar collapsed, and then, dollar was collapsing all the way up, and then the dollar started to regain its value again. And so the bear market came in for the cryptocurrencies. You can see the dollar started to break out of this, started to consolidate pretty much sideways, but still moving up on a pretty consistent rate. And this was the whole time of the bear market for cryptocurrencies. And then right around here, this was March, so this was the COVID crash of crypto. So we can come here and look at this. And, you had just about until May of 20, so right in here. And that's when Bitcoin started this is when the cryptos really started to kind of start taking off again. You know what I mean? Into our big bull run that we just had. And, well, here we are right now. And we've crashed all the way down. We're sitting at this support from 18. And shit's just not looking good. We keep getting more stimuluses. There's still shit tons of money that is being dumped in from unemployment because people don't want to work, and our economy is just, all it is free money right now, dude. And everybody has money. Like, whenever in your life have you ever heard of everyone having money, dude, or everyone going and buying new cars and houses, dude? I mean, the housing market has gone through the roof, the stock market, the cryptos, everything has been going through the roof, dude, while the dollar has been crashing down. And, well, if we take that same thing, so we can see when the dollar crashes, stuff likes to go up because your dollar's worth less. And when your dollar is worth less, you have more buying power. Less buying power with your dollar. So your dollar's worth less, obviously. I just said that. But it makes shit go up in price, just like the houses, dude. So this is falling. The housing market is going up because of this right now, because there's more money to be spent, dude. Interest rates are low. Everybody's getting fucking loans from the bank. And it's and the houses are only going up, dude. I'm not saying that's completely because the dollar is crashing, but I am saying that this is playing a very big role. I would also like to add, if you think that the housing market is going to go down in like soon, I am 100% leaning the other direction as you. I think that if we break this support right here on the DXY, the housing market will continue to go up. I think the stock market will continue to go up. I think the cryptocurrency market will continue to go up. I think everything will continue to go up in price because your dollar is worth less. All right, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I'm still convinced that Bitcoin is going to continue to the upside. I think that this was bad news happening all at the same time. I think that it was retail investors not understanding that 50% corrections happen in the cryptocurrency market, and it is not uncommon. And the third is just fear and panic. That's all it is. It's just, I mean, dude, the crypto markets have been in complete fear these past, I think it's been like 2 weeks, dude. I mean, it's just been ridiculous. I mean, let's come over here to the fear and greed index, dude. We're still at 24. You know when the last time we were at 24, dude? Dude, I think it was like C19. Yeah. I mean, dude, look at that. I mean, like, we got down that low, dude, and Bitcoin is still above $36,000. Bitcoin is still above $36,000, dude. I mean, yes, it did go to whatever it went to. It went to 30K on Coinbase Exchange. That's the one I like to use the most, just because it has the most users, the most volume, yada yada yada. All the other ones are like spacey and shit. Just like, I mean, I think I saw Kraken go to like 28K or something. There's been a lot of times where Kraken's prices have just been like ridiculously low, just because there's no buyers on Kraken, and drives the price down when mass volume comes in. But I mean, dude, Bitcoin's still holding above 36K, dude, and we're in the same amount of fear that we were here. Yeah, I get that we didn't really slingshot out of this, and this could just be a dead cat bounce, but I'm holding, dude, until we hit that 4.236. And honestly, I don't care if it takes 4 years, 5 years, 6 years to get where I want to sell my crypto at. I don't care if it takes that long, dude. I'm fine with holding it because I invested money that I don't need. I invested money that I was willing to lose, and I am willing to lose every dollar that I have in my account because that is what I signed up for. I signed up when I bought into crypto for 50% corrections. I signed up for massive bull runs. That's what I signed up for, dude. I didn't sign up for the stock market. If I wanted something that was easy and simple and that I knew wasn't going to move a lot and wasn't volatile, I would never get into crypto. I want something exciting, and this is what it is, dude. This is exciting. Whether it's good news or bad news, it's still exciting, and that's what I signed up for. End of story. Anyway, convinced Bitcoin will keep going up. I think it could go to 85K. I don't think there's any way that Bitcoin will go above 100K. There wasn't even buyers at 60K. And when we do go to this 70, 80K, it's going to be fast, and it's going to be in a straight line, and we're not going to hold the level for long, and then we're going to go down. I think that's what's going to happen. I think that it's going to get, people are going to start FOMOing in when Bitcoin starts getting back up about around this 2618 level. I think that for this 47K, I think that Bitcoin will start to rally faster, just because I think people are going to be like, oh my God, dude, I sold down here at like 35K because I thought the market was going to keep crashing. And well, market didn't keep crashing. It's going to get up to here. People are going to start FOMOing, and it's going to be a straight line upward. And that's the end of the bull run. That's what I'm convinced on. So, on the final note, I believe that Bitcoin will be still going up. I believe that the dollar will still continue to crash with all this new money coming out with the Biden administration. Don't listen to me. I'm probably wrong. I bet this thing will continue to fall. I mean, I'm still convinced that I think that we still see a 26K Bitcoin. I think that we have another dump coming soon that's going to shake out the rest of the market, and then it's going to be green flag from there, you know what I mean? So, anyway, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and see you in the next one if this one does good.